guys, Running Kimono here, and I'm pretty hyper. This was an amazing haul today over at Walgreens. Everything went perfectly. Every digital coupon, every register reward, everything worked out for me, which never usually happens. So I am like really thrilled with today's haul, and just a little brag picture here. Look at all the register rewards that I got. Oh my gosh. And we're going to talk about how to use those $4 store coupons. But today, amazing over at Walgreens. So the first thing we're going to talk about, guys, is just deals that if you want to run in today and make it happen. As you can see with the Fetch Rewards app, this guy is expiring on the 30th. So today, which is Sunday, last day to make it happen, make sure that you have this rebate as well. I was doing it last week and the digital coupon re-popped up this morning. So I'm like, I am doing this deal right away. Now, I want you guys to be super uber careful that when you're in the store, $4 store reward when you buy 2 products, that is on this. It's also on the OLAY deal. It's also on the Aussie. So you got to be really careful and read the tags because you don't want to leave any money on the table. Grabbing 2 of the dry sprays. My mom absolutely loves this dry spray, so of course I'm going to stock up for her. They're $8 a pop. And then again this morning, we got this very generous digital coupon, which is a $7.50 off of 2. So make sure you have this guy loaded for this little dealio. Looking at the math for this one, 2 of the dry sprays for $16. $7.50 off 2 coming off. You're going to pay $8.50, get back a $4 register reward, getting $2.50 back from Fetch. It makes it $2 for the 2 or $1 per. Now, to use Walgreens cash for this little dealio, I didn't. I used my debit card. At my store specifically, if you roll Walgreens cash, you don't get that register reward. This has been happening the last 2 weeks, so I didn't want to chance it. I didn't want any trouble, but I'm very happy to pay that to get them for $1 a pop. Have a deal for some free Aussie shampoo. In the store, you're specifically looking for the shampoos tagged at $3 a pop. And it's on the same promotion of buy 2, get back a $4 store register reward. So just be really careful of that. Now, I did a mix and match and my register reward still printed for me. So I got 1 shampoo and one of these 3-minute miracles. This is such a wonderful deal. I mean, this is even a little dollar money maker after everything is said and done. So you're going to have to make sure that you have this digital coupon loaded, which is a 3 off of 2. Yes, it's working on these smaller ones. Mathematically, grabbing 2 of them for $6, subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital, you'll pay 3 out of pocket, get back a $4 register reward, making this free plus $1 money maker. Again, because this is a register reward offer and I've had problems at my local store, I don't know what's going on. I just paid with my debit card for this one. So if you want to give it a shot, this would probably be a smart one. Can you roll $3 in Walgreens cash and the register reward will print, yay or nay? But I've had tons of issues, so I don't really know what's going on or if they're doing an update. I hate to even say that. The next deal that we have is with the Degree deodorants. So either the men or the women's at $6.29. Those are the ones that you're looking for. So the cheaper Degree deodorants. Now, this digital coupon popped up again, $7.50 off of 2. So grabbing 2 of those deodorants on a BOGO, 50% off, that's $9.43. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're left to pay $1.93 for the 2. I would definitely use a little bit of Walgreens cash. There is no register reward back when you buy these, so it just makes them very inexpensive deodorants. Okay, so now we have some free dental care. We're looking for a Colgate toothbrush at $2.99 and along with a toothpaste at $2.99. $4 reward when you buy 2. I'm not sure if this is on the same promotion as the Aussie and the Dove, so I just did not want to chance it. Just do this one on its own. And then these are the digital coupons that you need loaded that include $1 off for the paste and $1 off for the brush. And for those of you that are like, I need to see the tag, here's a photo of the tag. But because it's a $4 reward and I think it's a deal of the week, I think it might be part of this, but I might be wrong, but I just didn't want to chance it. So grabbing 1 brush and 1 paste for my little dealio. The 2 of them is $5.98. Subtracting the $2 of digitals or the $1 per, you're paying $3.98 and getting back that $4 register reward, essentially making this for free. If you think about earlier in the month, there was no real good deal for free toothpaste over at Walgreens. They took that away for a month. So I would just do this deal to stock up on these sort of products, especially if you like to gift it for Christmas. Now I had this specific booster, $10 back when you spend $50, plus I still have that birthday booster of like, I don't know, what is it? a percentage back when you spend a certain amount or more than $10. So with this, I knew that I would get an extra $5 as I'm spending $50. And then I got one of these $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend 20. So delighted about that. So this is what I grabbed, guys. 2 of the Irish Spring, buy 2, get back a $5 register reward. I'm going to show you all the coupons and stuff here in a second. The 3 Olay body washes to get back a $4 register reward, and there's also some IBOTTA money with that. And then the laundry deal to buy 4, and then to get back a $6 register reward. All the register rewards printed as well. So this was just like my freaking day. I don't know what's going on. So just to show you, I grabbed 2 of the Irish Springs at $4.99. We did have a $2 digital pop up for this guy this morning, and it's a $5 register reward when you buy 2. And I grabbed, I think, 2 of the original clean ones. And here is the sticker, and then here is the digital coupon, $2 off. Then I mix and matched the P&G laundry products. I grabbed 3 of these dryer sheets and then 1 detergent. Because you buy 4, you get back a $6 register reward. And here is the tag. My husband's super allergic to everything, so that's why I did it that way. Sadly, no digital coupons to go with this deal. And the final item that I grabbed was 3 of the Olay body washes, priced at $7. Buy 2, get back a $4 register reward. We have this digital coupon, which is a 3 off of 2. However, IBOTTA is giving back $5 when you buy 3 of these. So that's a very, very generous rebate. Looking at the math for this overall basket, guys, 4 of the Tide products, like Tide Bounce, $21.96. 2 Irish Spring priced at $4.99 for $9.98, and then 3 of the Olay body washes for $21 for a grand total of $52.94. Now I had my booster loaded, which is 10 back when you spend 50, plus I got the cashier to scan my 5 back when you spend 20 booster. I only had $5 in digital coupons that came off, so womp womp womp. I paid $47.94 with my debit card, got back $20 in Walgreens cash. 10 for spending 50, 5 for the 20 booster, and then 5 for the birthday booster, plus $16 in register rewards for all the products that I bought. Getting $5 back from IBOTTA for buying 3 of the Olay body washes, plus a $5 Visa gift card for spending 20 on these various Tide products. And that's part of a rebate that's taking place with P&G Good every day. So it makes it $1.94 for the 9 products, or 21 cents each. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards as you're using boosters with this little dealio. Here are the register rewards that I got. $6 back for the Tide, $5 back for the Irish Spring, and $4 back for the Olays. So what a fabulous deal. Now, just to talk really quickly about these $4 store coupons, like how do you use it? What's the story? I bought some Dawn this morning because this is one product that like all my family members love. Everybody loves Dawn. So I grabbed 5 of them. And just to show you the store register reward, $4, like what do you use it on? I'm going to give you 2 different examples. So I'm definitely going to buy that dish soap. Family members love Dawn. I love Dawn too. So grabbing 5 of them at 99 cents, which is a sales price this week, guys, it's $4.95. Subtracting that $4 store register reward, plus the remainder and the tax, I would throw in $1 of Walgreens cash. I think I paid like 2 cents. So that was a really good deal. Absolutely loving that. Another alternative deal is the Walgreens facial tissue. Kleenex is actually a commercial brand, so this isn't called Walgreens Kleenex, if you didn't know that. So they are $3 for a 4-pack, which are very similar to the Kleenex 3-packs. So also, these guys are $2.49 this week. I don't know why they're tagged at $2.99, but that's the price point this week. So grabbing one of the Walgreens Kleenex or the Walgreens facial tissue and just to show you, these are the big honkin' 20 ounces, so they are quite sizable. And then we're going to throw in a store register reward with this deal. So one of these, and that was expiring next week, so I had to definitely use it because I got so many today. And then also throwing in the $1 digital coupon that showed up this morning, grabbing the 1 facial tissue for $3 and then 1 Palmolive for $2.49. The total is $5.49, subtracting the $1 digital for the Palmolive and the $4 store register reward. You're paying 49 cents, and I think this is a really good stock up price for some meat and potato items. So before I take off, guys, let's have a quick little giveaway for a $10 Walgreens gift card. To participate, you must be a subscriber to my channel. In the comments, tell me where you're from. For example, if you're from Columbus, Ohio, write Columbus, Ohio shopper. Or if you're shy, just write Ohio shopper. The winner's name will be pinned, like their comment and their name will be pinned on Friday, November the 4th. And it's one entry per subscriber. And this is 100% free to participate in. I pay for the postage and the gift card. So good luck, everybody, and we'll catch you in the next one. And happy Halloween.